So one of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do you clean your microwave? Okay, so since I was getting a lot of those questions, I decided I was going to show you how I clean my microwave. But the thing is, from on a daily basis, I always ensure that my microwave is clean. I don't leave it to for the food to get dry and everything. So fortunately, I don't have a microwave that is so dirty, but I'm just going to run you through the process that I use. So the thing I use is, sometimes I use vinegar, white vinegar, and if I'm not using vinegar, I just decide to use lemon. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use vinegar to clean my microwave. So this is me showing what my microwave looks like just before I start the demonstration for you guys. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be pouring in equal parts of water and vinegar into a cup. This is the vinegar I'm using. You don't necessarily have to use this one. You can use any one that you have, but just ensure it's white vinegar. And then I place into my microwave. I'm placing it into the microwave now, and I'm going to set it on 5 minutes and allow the vinegar do the work that it's supposed to do. So at this point, you can see that the 5 minutes is over and I've brought it out. Please be careful when you're handling this, because it's going to be very hot. As you can see, I was struggling for a while till I eventually got it out. So please be careful. We don't want any kitchen accidents, guys. So then I'm going to proceed to start cleaning my microwave. But the first thing I'm going to do is to bring up the base plate for the microwave, and I'm going to place it gently in a place or in an area that I know that it's not going to fall down and break. Then I proceed to start cleaning the lower part where the base plate was. I also clean the top, the middle, the bottom, just everywhere, guys. Just clean everywhere, and ensure you use a very soft cloth like a microfiber cloth or something. Then you can also clean the front, that's the inner door. You also ensure you clean there, because sometimes food also splashes there as well. But please ensure that you clean this very well and clean the body and everywhere that needs to be cleaned, basically. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to place everything back. But before I place everything back, I'm going to ensure that after cleaning it, I'm going to take back the base plate and clean the base plate properly. If the base plate is dirty, I'm going to wash it and pat it dry before I put it back inside the microwave. So please ensure that you clean everything, because there's no point, in my opinion, there's no point cleaning the whole microwave and then the base plate is not clean, because that's the main area that food pours, apart from the other places that the food splashes get onto. So please ensure you do that. So guys, did you know that you can use vinegar to make windows and glass look clean? So instead of using just vinegar here, I'm going to be using the same mixture of water and vinegar that I placed in the microwave to clean the microwave. I'm going to be using it on the outer part of the microwave door. This makes me so happy. You can see that I'm so happy, and I keep going at it and going at it. I'm going to do this till I see no fingerprints and no streaks on it. I end up taking my time doing this because I just don't want to see those fingerprints. When I see fingerprints, it makes me feel like the microwave is dirty and it's not hygienic, because a lot of people would have placed their hands and touched it. So that's why I do this, guys. You can decide to use your window or glass cleaner, but I just prefer to use vinegar. So I'm showing you the microwave cover here. Please ensure you wash that after every use. And guys, you can see the joy on my face as I'm checking my microwave, the work that I've done. You can see how clear it is, no streaks, no fingerprints at all. So this is how my microwave looks, and I'm happy that I've done a good job. Important thing to notice, I did not use vinegar in my microwave every day. I just clean my microwave with a microfiber cloth once I finished microwaving and heating up any food. The thing is, I found out that I can avoid having so much gunk to clean when I use a microwavable cover, which I'm going to show you later on in this video. So it's when I need to do like a general cleaning, which I do like thorough cleaning, which I do for my microwave at least every 2 to 3 days. That's when I use the vinegar. And what I've also come to realize is, you know, sometimes you clean your microwave and then you open it and it still has that leftover smell of the food that you microwaved. I don't like that smell, so I just found out that I could use vinegar or lemon to get rid of that smell. I like opening my microwave when I need to heat up any plate of food, and knowing that it smells fresh gives me joy. That's all for now, everyone, and hope you join our family. So if you like to join our family, I'm going to be sharing videos like this from time to time, at least twice every week. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you know when we drop any videos. Thank you. Bye. Till next time.